Hi, I'm MakerMaddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. So I thought it might be a good idea to intro the next series of projects because they're not necessarily cosplay, but they're very, very closely related. You've seen plenty of stuff on this channel regarding cosplay, so it shouldn't be so much of a shock that given an opportunity to dress up, I'm gonna pounce on it. And I've also kind of roped my mom into it too. We're heading out to a journey to a galaxy's edge, far, far away. And though Disney has strict costume policy, they do encourage the immersion now that Galaxy's Edge is open. It's called Disney Bounding. Disney Bounding is the park's version of what cosplayers would call casual cosplay, meaning you pick stuff out of your own closet and through color blocking and accessories kind of hint at being a character. This has been going on for years and years in the Disney parks for the standard, everyday, regular characters. But with the opening of Galaxy's Edge, which is meant to be like an immersive experience, it's sort of gotten to another level. Now, while I can't go in my full Force user regalia, I can pick out things out of my closet and kind of piece together a member of the Resistance so that I can sort of immerse myself in the park. Our backstory will be that I'm Captain Maddox from the Resistance, visiting from off-world to aid with intelligence gathering. I'm traveling with Vice Admiral Vigil, and we're double Agent Ding. If stopped by the First Order on Batuu, we'll have items showing our fake allegiance to the First Order and explain to them we're undercover as the Resistance to gather information for the First Order. Except we're doing the exact opposite, tricking them into thinking that we are spying on the Resistance. It's fun. We have fun here. I'm working on a few little quick projects that I would approach like any other cosplay project, where I'm gathering accessories and making them look a bit more weathered and lived in and fitting with the Star Wars universe. Follow me on this journey and I'll go over how to weather tactical belts, add details and greeblies to existing garments, and adding details to push regular everyday items into the realm of cosplay. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!